all. How's everyone doing? It looks dark on my end, but hopefully it won't be too bad. It's Monday, so it's time for shout out. And we're going to do our shout out for Mr. John Campbell, formerly the Arizona Bushman. I hope I'm saying that right. He changed his channel name, but he no longer lives in Arizona, so it makes sense. He's been uploading videos again, really good content. I've met John, he's been on my channel. He came up from Arizona to visit a friend, and we managed to found a day to hook up, go out and do some, outdoor stuff. So, great guy, much respect. And speaking of respect, I want to take off my hat and salute our fine servicemen and women out there, from our recruits clear to our veterans. You're all appreciated. And 22 a day no more. We have 22 of our veterans taking their lives. It should be 0. I wish our country would step up and do more for them, but everything's always about money. Anyway, I do appreciate you watching. All the links will be for John's channel will be down in the description if they work. If not, there'll be end card. And I'll catch you next one. Have a good one.